How to use Google Play gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use our Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Google Play gift card can be used to purchase applications or subscriptions from Google Play or Google account. You can open up your Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here, then just go to the option called payments and subscriptions. From payments and subscriptions, you can go to redeem code and then just make sure to enter the card code that you have if it is a gift card code. So then tap the redeem option. Now when you redeem it, the balance will get added to your account and you can use it to purchase any subscription. If you want to redeem it another way, you can simply choose a paid application that you want to buy, tap on the buy option, and then all you have to do is simply select add credit or debit card. Make sure to enter your Google Play card number here, tap the save option, and then you will be able to buy it. This way you can use Google Play gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.